Hi, I'm Rob. Have you got an external hard drive that's playing up? Maybe files missing or the drive is inaccessible? Well, we're going to try and fix that in this video. As long as your external hard drive is detectable in Windows Disk Management, which you can access by right-clicking the Windows icon, then data recovery is a possibility. Hard drive recovery with EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. The first method is to try the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard linked in the video description. Download it for Windows or Mac and install it. Once you've got it running, plug in the external USB hard drive if you haven't already. Select the drive from the list and click Scan. You can narrow down your search by category or search for a specific file and try to recover it. Hard drive recovery with a recovery service. Another option if the data is really important is to try a professional data recovery service. EaseUS offers a free evaluation of your drive and can help to recover files, unbootable Windows OS, lost partitions, and more. You'll find a link in the video description. Hard drive recovery with Windows Disk Repair. Open this PC. Right-click the drive and choose Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Click Check to scan and run the disk repair. Hard drive recovery by reinstalling the driver. Sometimes the driver can be the issue. To try and fix it, try right-clicking on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. Click on Disk Drive. Right-click on your hard drive that isn't showing up in Windows. If you don't know which one it is, unplug the drive and see which one disappeared, and plug it in again. Right-click Uninstall device on the drive that isn't showing up. Restart your PC and the driver will be reinstalled. Check it if it now shows the drive. Hard drive recovery with check disk command. Another reason your external drive might have issues is a corrupted file system. You can try to fix it by typing CMD in the search box and running the command prompt window. Type CHKDSK, your drive letter. This is mine, and then /F. Press enter. Hard drive recovery by fixing missing drive letter. If the drive isn't showing up at all, try right-clicking on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Check if there's a drive letter missing. And right-click, click the Change button and select the drive letter from the list. Hard drive recovery, formatting USB drive. If nothing is working and you just want to use the drive again and don't care about the data on it, you can format it to start with a clean one. This is a last resort option. Only do it if you don't need the data from the drive. Connect the problematic external drive to the PC and right-click and select Format. Follow the prompts. Or you can try using the EaseUS Partition Master. It can sometimes format the drive when Windows is unable to. Download and install it. Right-click the external drive and choose Format. This will delete all data on the drive. Hard drive recovery with Windows Diskpart. Finally, there's Diskpart. This can erase all data on the device and hopefully fix the problems you're experiencing. Click in the search box and type CMD. And right-click. Type Diskpart and press Enter. Type list disk and hit Enter. Select the disk number. You can find this in Disk Management if you don't know which one is your USB drive. Type select disk and the correct number. It's going to be wiped with the next command. Type clean and hit enter. Type create partition primary and hit enter. Type exit. Now you can double click on the drive and format it. Name it whatever you like and click start. I hope we've solved your external drive issues. For more great tips in the future, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.